Hello everyone, welcome to Mass Online Institute of Physics. Before we start the topic, please do subscribe this channel and share it among your friends. So today we will be doing problems from the logic gate. As we have discussed logic gates concepts yesterday, in the previous video. So today we'll be doing some problems. Along with those problems, we'll be solving previous year's NEET and JEE problems. So before starting the topic, let us see what we have discussed yesterday. We have discussed few logic gates. What were those logic gates? There was one logic gate called as AND logic gate. There was other logic gate called as OR logic gate, and there was another logic gate called as NOT logic gate, and there was another logic gate that was called as NAND logic gate, and finally we have discussed about NOR logic gate. So these are the truth tables for all those logic gates. This is nothing but, here I have drawn the symbol. You can see a leaf-like structure you will be having OR logic gate. Similarly, here it is A dot B. A dot means it is something like D shape. So this is nothing but AND logic gate. So similarly, whenever there is a complement, a bar or complement, this is complement on OR logic gate. So that is the reason this logic gate symbol is for NOR. See here, wherever there is a complement, here there will be a bubble. Whenever there is a bubble, you have to understand either it is a NAND gate or NOR gate. Similarly, the complement of AND gate will be giving you NAND gate. This is NAND gate. See here, there is a bubble here. So what will be the outputs? So whenever the inputs are 0, 0, for in case of OR gate, the input will be 0. Even in case of AND gate, the output will be 0. Whereas in case of NOR gate, what I said, NOR gate is nothing but it is complementary of OR gate. Whenever it is 0, it will make it as 1. Similarly, in case of AND gate, it is 0, output is 0. Whereas in case of NAND gate, the output will become 1. It will be inverse. NOR will be inverse of OR gate and NAND will be inverse of AND gate. So now I want all of you to remember these diagrams. Whenever you find a leaf-like structure, then this gate represents OR gate. Whenever there is a structure D-like structure, then this represents AND gate. And if there is a bubble there, then this will become NOR gate, and if a bubble is here, then this will become NAND gate. So let us proceed to our first problem. See here, what is the first problem here? The question given is, to which logic gate does the given truth table correspond? So this is the truth table given in the question. This is the truth table given in the question. Now he is asking, this truth table corresponds to which of the following logic gates? These are the 4 options given in the question. Now let us see this. Whenever inputs are 0, the output is 0. Whenever one input is 1, other input is 0, output is 0. See here, whenever input is 0 and other input is 1, again I am getting output as 0. Only when both the inputs are 1, output is 1. Whose condition is this? Yesterday while discussing AND gate, I have said that when both the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. This I have discussed regarding AND gate. I hope everyone remember this. In case of AND gate, only when both the inputs are 1, output will be 1. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be second option. Because OR, what was the condition for OR gate? In case of OR gate, if any one input is 1, then output will also be 1. So this was the condition. So the right answer is AND gate. Now let us move on to the second problem. Now again, a similar problem is given. To which logic gate does the given truth table correspond to? Now see here, again a truth table is given, and they are asking out of this fourth truth table, out of this fourth option, which option is with respect to this truth table, or which option correspond to this truth table. Now let us see the inputs. Here he has given inputs A and B, and output is Y. Inputs I am writing 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. Now see here, what he has given in the question. He has given the question as output as 1 1 and 0. This can't be OR gate. This can't be OR gate. Why? What is the condition for OR gate? OR gate condition is nothing but Y is equals to A plus B. And the other condition for what OR gate is that any one input should be 1. But see here, even though both the inputs are 0, I am getting output as 1. So this can't be the option. Now let us see the second gate. Y is the AND gate. What is the output of AND gate? It will be Y is equals to A dot B. Y is equals to A dot B. If I consider again this case, if A is 0, B is 0, what will be output? It will be 0. But here the output given is 1. But here the output is 1. So AND gate could not be the answer. Now let us see whether it is NAND gate or NOT gate. What is the output for NAND gate? What is the output for NAND gate? We know that for NAND gate output is given as, and NAND gate is nothing but inverse of AND gate. So this will become A dot B bar. Now let us see the condition. First let us apply this 0. Input A is 0, input B is 0. So input A is 0, input B is 0, and whole bar. 0 into 0 will be nothing but 0. Output will be what? 1. So this condition is satisfied. First option is satisfied. First condition is satisfied. Now let us move on to the second one. Y is equals to A dot B bar. What are the second input? One input is 1, B input is 0. So I am writing here 1 dot 0 whole bar. 1 into 0 will be how much? 1 into 0 will be 0. Again 0 bar will be 1. Again second one is also satisfied. Now let us move on to the third one. Third input. Y is equals to A dot B bar. What is the value of A here? It is 0. What is the value of B here? It is 1. Again complement is there. So 0 into 1 will be again 0. 0 bar will be what? It will be 1. So this option is also satisfied. Now let us move on to the fourth, last one. Y is equals to A dot B bar. A is 1, B is 1. So let me write that thing. 1 dot 1 whole bar. 1 into 1 is nothing but, again it will be 1. What is the complement of 1? It is 0. So which is the correct answer? Third one. NAND gate is the correct answer. Let us see the NOR gate. Whether NOR gate is satisfying this truth table or not. What is the output of NOR gate? Output of NOR gate is given as Y is equals to A plus B bar. Now let us see the first condition. Both the inputs are 0. 0 plus 0 bar. That is nothing but 0 bar. 0 bar is nothing but 1. So here this condition is satisfied. First condition is satisfied. Now let us move on to the second condition. Again Y is equals to, what is the formula? A bar, A plus B bar. So what is the second input? Here A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 0. That is whole bar. 1 plus 0 will be what? 1. 1 bar will be equals to 0. But here our option is 1. So this is not the right answer. So the correct answer is what? NAND gate is the correct answer. I hope you understood these two problems. So now let us move on to the third problem. Okay. Again, a same problem is given. A similar type of problem is given. I want you to solve this problem. See here, inputs are A and B and output is Y. Whenever both the inputs are 0, output is 0. If any one of the input is 1, we are getting output as 1. If any one of the input is 1, we are getting output as 1. So which logic gate it is? Just now I have discussed, this is nothing but OR gate. Because if any one of the input is 1, output will be 1. So this is OR gate. This is the right answer. I hope everyone is getting this. So now let us move on to the next question. Okay, here this question is regarding symbols. He will be giving some symbols and we have to identify which gate it is. These are the previous problems. Actually, this question was asked in previous NEET paper. I think so. AIPMT paper, All India Pre-Medical Test Examination paper. This question was asked. Let us solve this type of questions. Now see here. What is the question given? He said that which gate is represented by the symbolic diagram given here. Means he has given a diagram and he is asking you to determine the logic gate. See here. What were the different logic gates? One was AND. What was the symbol for AND logic gate? It is nothing but a D-like structure. It has two inputs A, B, and it had a output Y is equals to A dot B. Now see here. What was the next logic gate? Next logic gate we studied was OR. OR had a leaf-like structure. It had a leaf-like structure. And what was its output? Y is equals to A plus B. Similarly, we have studied about the third gate. That was not. It was an inverter. It had only one input and one output. If input is A, then output will be A complement. Similarly, what was the fourth logic gate we have discussed? That was NAND, N-A and D NAND. This was nothing but the inverse of AND gate. What was its symbol? Its symbol was similar to AND gate, but an extra term was a bubble here. So this is A, this is B, then the output will be what? A dot B, inverse, complement of AND gate. And what was the final gate that we have discussed? That is nothing but NOR gate. Again it had two inputs, a leaf-like structure with a bubble. And how we represent its output? Y is equals to complement of OR gate, complement of OR gate. So this symbol, actually this is a leaf-like structure. I was unable to find a proper diagram, so I have taken this one. This is a leaf-like structure. So this is nothing but an OR gate. See here, it has two inputs, one output, and a leaf-like structure. You can identify using this, because for AND gate it is something like this D. For OR gate it will be like this, a leaf-like structure. So the right answer is OR gate. I hope you got this. So let us move on to the next question. Again, which gate is represented by the symbolic diagram? Just now I have discussed. For OR gate it will be a leaf-like structure, whereas for AND gate it will be a D symbol. So this is something like D symbol. Again we should see whether it is having a bubble or not. It is not having a bubble. If there is a bubble here, then this will become NAND gate. If there is a bubble, then it will become NAND gate. But there is no bubble here, so this is nothing but AND gate. I hope you are getting this. Let us move on to the next question. Okay. Now something different question is given. What he is asking is, obtain the output for the combination of gates shown in the figure. So he is asking you to find out the output of this gate. Just like for OR gate, what is the output we will be getting? A plus B. For AND gate, what is the output we will be getting? A dot B. For NOT gate, what is the output we are getting? A bar. For NAND gate, what is the output we are getting? A dot B bar. And for NOR gate, what is the output we are getting? A plus B bar. Similarly, he is asking you to find the output for this particular gate. Now see here. This is which gate? I said that whenever there is a triangle with a bubble, it represents which gate? It is a NOT gate. So this is NOT gate. Whenever you are giving input A, output will become A complement. So here whatever input is given A, here the output will become A bar. Again here input B is given. This is again a NOT gate. Whenever B input is given to a NOT gate, the output will become B bar. Now you have to identify this gate. Which gate it is? It is nothing but OR gate. This is nothing but OR gate. What is the output for OR gate? This is OR gate output y is equals to a plus b. So what we have to do, we have to just add these two things, a bar plus b bar. So this is the output for the given combination gate. I hope you understood this question. So let us move on to the next question. Again he has given, name the gate obtained by the combination shown in the figure. So we have to identify which gate is given in the figure. So let us see this. See here, this gate is nothing but OR gate. I am drawing once again here. This gate is nothing but OR gate. It has two inputs. This is input A and this is input B. Now this output is attached to one other gate and we have to determine this gate. Now tell me, what is this gate? This gate is nothing but OR gate. What is this gate? This gate is nothing but NOT gate. So yesterday we have studied combination of OR gate plus NOT gate gives which gate? This is nothing but NOR gate. So this gate is nothing but it is a NOR gate. This is a NOR gate. Now coming to this thing, suppose here input is A, input is B, here bubble should be there, and this is Y. This is gate is which one? Again D shape is there, means this gate is nothing but AND gate. And this is which gate? This is nothing but NOT gate. What is the combination of AND gate and NOT gate? We'll be getting NAND gate. You may be feeling that these problems are very easy, but these are the questions which were asked in the examination. So please concentrate here, because after this we'll be doing some NEET and JEE problems. So observe each and every problem. Okay, so the seventh question, this symbol represents, a very good question. This symbol represents, suppose this is A input and this is output. Now let us identify the things first. Now this is D-like structure. D-like structure means which gate it is? It is AND gate. Whenever a bubble is added to AND gate, which gate it will become? This entire gate will become NAND gate. But there is one twist here. See here, the two inputs are attached to one another. The two inputs are attached to one another. Both of them are having same input. Both of them are having same input. If the gate was something like this, see here, if the gate was something like this, then I would have said that this gate is nothing but NAND gate. But what happened here? They have attached both the inputs. They have attached both the inputs. So remember, whenever you are finding this type of logic gate, whatever he may have written here, in some question for confusing, he will be giving us that this gate is NOT gate or some other gate. So remember, whenever a NAND gate, this is NAND gate, whenever a NAND gate is having same inputs, or if there is NOR gate, whenever NOR gate is having same input, then these two gates represent, remember carefully, these two gates represent NOT gate. You have to remember this, because this was previous NEET problem. Whenever, once again I am telling, whenever NAND gate and NOR gate inputs are joined together, see here, both the inputs of NAND gates are joined together, both the inputs of NOR gate are joined together, then this gate will act as NOT gate. This gate will act as NOT gate. I hope you will remember this. This is one of the most important thing, because in previous year problems you will be seeing that in some circuit he will be directly giving this type of diagram in the middle. So what is the answer in this present question? Answer is NOT gate. Answer is NOT gate. So now let us move on to the other question. Okay, see here, just now we have discussed a problem. He has given here, identify the gate represented by the block diagram of a figure. So we have to determine which block diagram, which of the following gate is represented by this block diagram. Now let us tell me, what is this gate? I said whenever it is something like this, this gate is nothing but OR gate. This gate is nothing but OR gate. Plus, now see here, both the inputs are joined. Both the inputs are joined. So we should see whether this is NAND gate or NOR gate. NAND gate or NOR gate. Double आ गया यहाँ पे. Okay, see here. This is D-like symbol. So definitely this is NAND gate. What I said, whenever NAND gate and NOR gate, if both the inputs are joined together, then this will represent which type of gate, sir? This will represent NOT gate. So this is NOT gate. So what is the combination of OR gate plus NOT gate? What is the combination for OR gate plus NOT gate? That is nothing but NOR gate. That is nothing but NOR gate. So correct option is fourth one. Fourth one is the right answer. So now let us move on to the next question. I hope you will remember this thing. Once again I am repeating because this is one of the most important thing. This case is valid only for NAND and NOR gate. What is the symbol for NAND gate? Symbol for NAND gate is a D with a bubble and it has two inputs. What is the symbol for NOR gate? A leaf-like structure with a bubble. Again it is having two inputs. Now if the inputs of these two gates are joined, then this gate will behave as NOT gate. This gate will behave as NOT gate. That is the reason I have considered this gate as NOT gate. So let us move on to the next question. Okay, one more question is given. Very good question. In the given Boolean expression, output expression means there is a circuit diagram. For the circuit diagram, we are getting output as something like this. Y is equals to A dot B bar, mean B complement, plus A complement dot B. Now he has given one condition. If A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1, then Y will be equals to. Now he is asking you to substitute the value of A and B. He has given that A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. So we have to substitute here and let us see what will be the answer. Now Y is equals to, what is the value of A? It is 1 dot. What is the value of B? It is 1, but it is complement here. Plus, what is the value of A? It is 1, but here it is complement dot. What is the value of B? It is 1. So this will become 1 into complement of 1. How much? What is the complement of 1? Definitely it is 0. Plus, what is the complement of 1? Again it is 0 dot 1. 1 into 0 will be 0. So our right answer will be option A. See, option C and option D can't be the answer because these are not binary numbers. Here it is given as 11, here it is given as 10. So I can neglect these two options initially only. Either the answer will be 0 or it will be 1. I hope you understood this binary operation. So now let us move on to the next question. So the next question is, what will be the input A and B for the Boolean expression to be A plus B complement into A dot B complement? So he has given a Boolean expression and he said that output is 1. Now he is asking you what input should I give. In the previous problem what it was there? He has given the inputs. He has said that A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1. He was asking you to calculate output. Now here output is already given. Here output is already given. Now he is asking what should be the input. The input should be 0 0, or it should be 0 1, or it should be 1 0, or it should be 1 1. Let us verify it. So let me write here Y is equals to A plus B complement into A dot B complement. We should get the answer as well. Now let us substitute this one 0. First I am substituting first option. What is that? 0 comma 0 means 0 comma 0 represents A and B. So this will become 0 plus 0 complement into 0 dot 0 complement. What it will be? 0 plus 0 will be 0 complement into 0 into 0 will be 0 complement. That is nothing but 0 complement is 1, and here also 0 complement is 1. So our answer will be 1. So actually the answer is first option only. Now let us verify the second option. No, let us verify the second option. We got the answer. The answer is 0, 0. But for your understanding, let us verify the second option. What is the second option? A plus B complement dot A dot B complement. A plus B complement dot A dot B complement. What is the second option? We have to substitute 0, 1. I will be taking A is equals to 0, B is equals to 1. Now substitute this here. 0 plus 1 complement into 0 dot 1 complement. What will be 0 plus 1? It will be 1. And what will be 0 into 1? It will be 0. What is the value of 1 complement? It is 0. What is the value of 0 complement? It is 1. So our answer will be 0. But we should get 1. I hope you understood. Please try to substitute this C and D option and see what will be the answer. Even though you got this answer, if you substitute these values, you will be getting a practice on this. So now let us move on to the next question. Okay. A big question is given. Actually, this is previous questions. Means one of the question asked in some NEET or AIPMT examination. Let us see this. What is the question given? He has said that for a given combination of gates, if the logic states of inputs A, B and C are as follows. So he has given two conditions. First he said that input A, B, C is 0, and next he said that input A and B is equals to 1 and C is equals to 0. Then the logic state of output D are, let me take this inputs as A, B, C, and this is output D. Now he is actually what he is asking in the question, he is telling that initially substitute A, B, C is equals to 0, and further in the next position first you have to substitute A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 0, and you will be getting some answer for D. Next what he is asking you to substitute A is equals to B is equals to 1 and C is equals to 0, then again you will be getting some output. So from this options only you will be getting the answer. So let us see which one is the correct answer. Now suppose initially after substituted A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 0, I am substituting here 0, 0, 0. Now this is which gate? See here, this is like this and there is no bubble, so this is nothing but OR gate. Now whenever input is 0, both the inputs are 0, output for OR gate will be 0 because 0 plus 0 will be 0. Now see here, this 0 is applied to this gate or this logic gate. What is the symbol? A D symbol is there with a bubble, means this represents which symbol, madam? Which symbol, sir? This is NAND symbol. So one input is 0 here and the other input is directly 0 here. So what is the output of NAND gate? We know that output for NAND gate will be A dot B complement. So if I substitute here one input is 0, other input is 0. So this will become 0 dot 0. 0 into 0 is how much? 0 complement. What is the value of 0 complement? 1. So for the inputs A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to 0, what is the output I am getting? I am getting the output as 1. So this option is cancelled because both answer is 0. Now this option is also cancelled because here it is getting 0 but we got 1. Now the answer should be either C or it should be D. Now let us substitute this. A is equals to B is equals to 1. Now I am substituting A is equals to 1, B is equals to 1 and C is equals to 0. So here it will be 1. Here it will be 1. Now for OR gate, 1 plus 1 will be, the output will be 1 because when both the inputs are 1, output will be 1 in case of OR gate. Now this 1 is applied here. This output 1 is applied here. Now C is 0 only. C is 0 only. This C is applied, or C is equals to 0 is applied here. This gate is NAND gate. What is the output of NAND gate? This is nothing but A dot B complement. What is A here? We have applied A is equals to how much? 1. What is B here? We have applied B is equals to 0 and its complement. So 1 into 0 will be 0. 1 into 0 will be 0 and 0 complement will be how much? 1. So what is our answer? For this we are getting 1. For this input we got 1. For this input also we are getting 1. So the right answer is D. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you are having any problem, please comment so that I can know what's the problem. So this was the 11th question. Okay. Now there is a special gate that is called as exclusive OR gate or XOR gate. This has to be discussed. I will be giving few points. If you note down, it will be very helpful for you. First of all, let us see this gate. There is one special type of gate that is called as XOR gate or exclusive OR gate. Let us see its symbol. It will be similar to OR gate. See here, again here OR gate is there. It will be similar to OR gate, but it will be having one special thing. It will be having a leaf-like structure. This is input A, this is input B, and this is output. The extra thing here will be a symbol like this. One symbol like this. And the output for this gate is given as A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Just now, I think before 2 or 3 problems, we have solved one problem regarding this equation. So remember, exclusive OR gate will be having this output A dot B bar and A bar dot B. And the extra symbol will be here like this. An extra symbol will be there. Now, if you want to see the truth table for exclusive OR gate, I'll be writing the truth table for exclusive OR gate. Y is equals to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. Please remember this output for exclusive OR gate. So what are the inputs? The inputs will be 0 0, 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. This also you remember 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Whenever both the inputs are 0, the output will be 0. Whenever both the inputs are 1, the output will be 0. If any one of the input is 1, means 0 1 1 0, then the output will be 1. This truth table for exclusive OR gate you have to remember. If you want to verify this, please substitute the value of A and B here, then you will be getting this answer. In case of exclusive OR gate, only these two inputs will be having output as 1. The other two inputs will be having output as 0. I hope you will remember this exclusive OR gate. Sometime he will be giving in the question. Even though this is not there in our syllabus, but still there are few questions in the previous examination papers asked on this particular truth table. So I want you to remember this equation as well as this circuit diagram. Once again, I will try to draw a circuit diagram. It is same as an OR gate. It is same as OR gate. This is input A, this is input B, and this is output Y. The extra thing is this thing. Okay. And what will be the output? Output is given as A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. This is called as exclusive OR gate. So I think I have given the next topic, waveform of logic gates. Waveform of logic gates. Now let us discuss what is the meaning of waveform of logic gates. Means we will be representing the truth tables in the form of waves. We will be representing the truth tables in the form of wave. I will be giving one example. Let me consider OR truth table or truth table for OR gate. What is the symbol for OR gate? OR gate is nothing but it will be having a leaf-like structure. OR gate will be having a leaf-like structure. How many inputs are there? There are 2 inputs. What will be the output for OR gate? It will be nothing but A plus B. Now let me write down the truth table for OR gate. It will be having 2 inputs, A, B. And what is the output? Y is equals to A plus B. What are the inputs for A and B? It is 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So what was the result we got? What is the output we got for OR gate? It will be nothing but 0, 1, 1 and 1. Now we'll be representing this truth table in the form of wave. Now we'll be representing this truth table in the form of wave. In the previous video I have discussed this binary digit 0 and 1 represents low signal and high signal. Means discrete signals are there which are changing with respect to time, If a signal is high, it represents 1. If a signal is low, it represents 0. So now let us see what are the inputs. A का सिग्नल कैसा ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं वेव फॉर्म में, हम लोग देखेंगे. See here, A is having input as 0, 0, 1, 1. A is having input 0, 0, 1, 1. So 0 means how much? Low signal. 0 represents low signal. Wave form में represent करना है. We are representing it in the form of wave. So this is low signal. This is low signal. Okay. Next again we are having input 0. So again we are having a low signal. Next, what is the input? It is 1. So this is high signal. 1 represents high signal. Again next, what is the next input? Again it is 1. So this is also high signal. So this is the waveform of input A. This is the waveform of input A. Similarly, what will be the waveform for input B? What are the inputs given to B? It is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now let us draw the waveform. 0 means low signal. It will be downwards. 1 means high signal. 1 means high signal. It will be up. Again we are having 0. 0 means low signal. Again we are having 1. 1 means high signal. So this is 0, 1, 0, 1. So what is the output? How we can draw the output? For OR gate 0 and 0 will be 0 only. It will be a low signal. Again it will be 0. For OR gate 0, 1 will be 1. It will be a high signal. 0, 1 will be 1. Again for OR gate 1, 0 will be, again it will be 1. So again this is a high signal. Again for OR gate 1 and 1 will be, again it will be 1. So again this is also a high signal. So this is the wave representation of logical gates or logic gates. So this I have drawn the waveform for OR gate. Please take AND gate as homework. Please try to draw the waveform for AND gate. If you are able to draw, then you can solve a large number of problems based on this wave diagram. It is nothing. Whenever input is 0, you have to take the signal downwards. Whenever input is 1, you have to take the signal high. You have to take this high signal. I hope you understood this concept.